Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning jewelry designs with AI, the kind of designs that actually sell. This is one of your biggest advantages. With our AI designer, you can create unique designs that no other seller has in seconds, even if you've never designed anything in your life. And the best part? Every design is created to fit the exact shape of your jewelry with the background already removed. So there's no need for any external design tools. Let's dive in. There are two ways to create with AI. You can generate a brand new design from scratch in the AI tab on the left, or take an existing design and reimagine it. Either way, the secret to a great result is a good niche and a great prompt. If you need niche ideas, check out our video on picking a niche. Let me show you a few simple tricks to get great results every time. First, be specific. Instead of typing a flower, try a delicate single rose in fine line art. The more clearly you describe what you want, the better result you're going to get. Second, name a style. Words like line art, minimalist, vintage, hand-drawn or floral completely change the look. Style is what makes a design feel premium instead of generic. And third, keep it simple. Remember, your design will be engraved on a small jewelry charm. You can see the size of each charm on the top left of your canvas. Clean designs with plenty of space look elegant and always engrave beautifully. Busy, cluttered designs tend to lose their detail, so less is almost always more. Now, let's talk about what actually makes a design sell. The best-selling jewelry designs share a few things in common. They're clean and easy to recognize at a glance. They carry meaning, a name, a date, a symbol, or a feeling your customer connects with. And they speak to a specific person. A design made for a couple celebrating their 10th anniversary or a daughter turning 18 will always outsell a generic one. The more your design speaks to someone's heart, the more it sells. Here's a simple workflow to get the best results. Start by picking a niche and generating a few options from your prompt. Pick the one you like most, then refine it. You can adjust your prompt and generate again, or use AI to reimagine your favorite. Once you're happy, add a personalized touch, like a name or a date, and your design is ready. Don't be afraid to experiment. Every generation is a chance to discover something special. The more you create, the better you'll get, and the more your shop will stand out. So go ahead and create something your customers will fall in love with.